On this part, we're going to modify the UI side, so whenever you click this button, you either like or dislike a post. Let us go to Visual Studio and see it in action. In Visual Studio, I'll just go to that view, and that is the partial view for a post, and then scroll down to the like icon. That icon is in here. First of all, if we want to be able to send a post request from the form, we need to wrap whatever we want to use as a submit button inside a form. So in here, just inside this div, I'm going to create a form. And in this form, I'm going to define that the ASP controller is the home controller, and the ASP action is the toggle like action, or you can just go to home controller and it's actually toggle post like. So I'm just going to copy the name, come back here and paste it. The next option, you can define the method to be a post, but if not, then you can just put this code inside the form. Now we need to pass to the action the post ID. And inside this file, we have said that the model is post. So we just need to pass the ID of this post. Let's just scroll down. And since this is an ID, we don't want anyone to see it, so we can just create an input. We can define the type as hidden. Let's define a name as post ID. And the value is going to be at model.id. Other than that, since this is a form and we want to submit a request, what we need to do is that we need to change this to a button and set the type to be submit. This way, we are going to send a request to this action by passing this property with the value of the model ID. Now let us save the changes. And then let us just go to the home controller. Let us put a breakpoint in here and start this project. And here I'll just scroll down and then click the like button. You can see that we did reach the action. And if we check the value of the post like VM, the post ID is 6. So let us check if we have any likes for this post by this user. And this is null. So we'll go inside the else condition and then create a new like object, add it to the context and save changes. Let us continue. So it was liked. Now let us click it again. The ID is 6. Continue. Now we have a like, which means we're going to remove it from the database. So this way we are disliking the post. We still have a problem in here. The first one is that the number of likes is not correct. And whenever we like or dislike a post, the icon in here is not being updated. We're going to fix that on the next part.